Julie Templeton. Let's give them a warm welcome.
Who was really